Max, this will be your first fight in Europe, and you fought in Singapore before. How different is it for you fighting abroad?
You know, I didn't fight yet, so I don't know, but it's like any other fight week. You know, it feels great. Here kind of reminds me a little like Boston, so that's kind of cool, and I just can't wait to fight, man. You know, over here, you guys they're big in kickboxing, so I'm a kickboxer. Hopefully, they like what they see come Saturday night.
How do you think you and Akira match up stylistically?
You know, stylistically, this has fighter night all over. You know, he comes to stand, I come to stand, and it should be a great one.
So this will be your fourth fight this year. Are you looking to take a break after this fight, or do you like fighting as regular as you have been?
You know, it all depends. You know, if I get out of this fight injury free and if I can get a quick finish, you know, hopefully I might just beg UFC for one more fight before the end of the year, you know, and get it in. But if not, it is what it is. UFC know what they're doing with me, so I'll just take whatever they want to do and just fight.
Do you believe a win on Saturday will push you to the top 15?
You know, I definitely, I believe a win for any of us would push us to the top 15, but if it doesn't happen. We're both not ranked, but I feel like we're both right underneath the ranking, so if it does happen, I wouldn't be surprised.
So, give me your prediction when you fight.
You know, me and Karasani, in my mind, I go out there, get an awesome finish, hopefully on the feet, or if a submission, I'll take any way. You know, I just wanna go out there, fight my heart out, win some fans, and hopefully I can get another finish. That'd be great for 2014.
Thank you for the time and good luck.
Thank you, man.